The Jeep Gladiator, once celebrated as an innovative fusion of pickup utility and Wrangler capability, has experienced a dramatic market decline since 2022. Recent data reveals a concerning 24% year-over-year drop in sales for the second quarter of 2025, prompting industry analysts to investigate the factors behind this underperformance. This examination explores 7 critical reasons why this distinctive mid-size pickup is losing ground in an increasingly competitive market segment. Number 7. Intense market competition. The Gladiator faces formidable challenges from recently redesigned competitors that offer superior value propositions. Built on the 7-year-old JL Wrangler platform and introduced in 2019, the Gladiator has retained many components from its predecessor without significant updates. This stagnation is particularly problematic considering the comprehensive redesigns competitors have undergone. The all-new Toyota Tacoma represents perhaps the most significant threat, featuring a fully revamped engine lineup, including a class-leading hybrid option that delivers impressive performance metrics. Toyota has also implemented a refined multi-link optional rear suspension that substantially improves ride quality. Similarly, the Chevrolet Colorado has emerged as a more contemporary and affordable alternative in the mid-size pickup segment. Ford's introduction of the Ranger Raptor to North America represents another competitive challenge. This performance-oriented variant offers comparable off-road capabilities to the Wrangler Rubicon, but with superior powertrain options. What makes these competitors particularly threatening is that they all come at significantly lower price points than the Gladiator, while offering improved safety systems, contemporary technological features, more efficient drivetrains, enhanced ride quality, and better overall value. Despite its iconic design language, the Gladiator urgently requires a comprehensive redesign to remain relevant in this highly competitive marketplace. Number 6. Questionable reliability record. Reliability remains a critical consideration for pickup truck buyers, and the Gladiator demonstrates concerning deficiencies in this area. Respected industry evaluators, including J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, consistently rate the Gladiator below average for dependability, similar to other vehicles in Jeep's lineup. These reliability concerns manifest in various ways that impact ownership satisfaction. Electrical system malfunctions constitute a frequent complaint, with owners reporting multiple issues with the infotainment system. These problems include intermittent system failures, freezing interfaces, and Bluetooth connectivity disruptions. Additional electrical concerns extend to keyless entry systems, warning indicator lights, and power window mechanisms. More serious mechanical issues have been documented as well, particularly with the recently discontinued turbo diesel variant. These include fuel system problems, such as malfunctioning fuel injectors and filter clogging, turbocharger issues, including unusual whistling sounds and diminished boost pressure at higher mileages, have been reported by numerous owners. Unlike electrical problems, these mechanical issues typically necessitate costly repairs. Perhaps most concerning is the persistence of the infamous death wobble phenomenon, an intense steering wheel vibration typically associated with solid front axle suspensions. This long-standing issue has plagued Jeep models for years, and the manufacturer has yet to implement a permanent solution. These reliability concerns significantly undermine consumer confidence in a segment where dependability is considered essential. Number 5. Lack of interior quality and sound insulation. While the Gladiator excels in rugged capability and off-road performance, these attributes come with compromises that many prospective buyers find difficult to accept. Interior material quality represents a common criticism. Though the cabin features water-resistant materials appropriate for off-road adventures, these surfaces lack the refinement and tactile appeal that contemporary truck buyers increasingly expect. While the dashboard design appears adequate for its class, the overall cabin materials lack the premium quality found in similarly priced competitors. Sound insulation presents an even more significant concern. The Gladiator incorporates removable panels similar to the Wrangler, with corresponding limitations in noise suppression. The truck's aggressive, non-aerodynamic profile exacerbates road and wind noise intrusion from all directions. This acoustic character may appeal to off-road enthusiasts seeking an authentic experience, but represents a significant drawback for buyers who prioritize comfort during daily driving and highway travel. Despite these shortcomings, the Gladiator does offer some interior advantages, including supportive seating with ergonomic designs and dedicated air vents for rear passengers. However, these positive attributes fail to adequately compensate for the overall refinement deficiencies, particularly when competitors offer significantly quieter and more sophisticated cabin environments at lower price points. Number 4. Limited powertrain options. The Gladiator's restricted powertrain lineup represents another critical factor in its diminishing market appeal. Following the discontinuation of the torquey and relatively fuel-efficient diesel option, the truck now offers just a single engine choice. The standard 3.6-litre V6 producing 285 horsepower delivers adequate performance but lacks the specialised capability that this off-road focused vehicle demands. This limitation becomes particularly puzzling when examining the diverse powertrain options available in the closely related Wrangler model, which includes a V8 configuration, turbocharged 4-cylinder option, and even a plug-in hybrid variant. The absence of comparable powertrain diversity in the Gladiator appears strategically questionable. The competitive disadvantage becomes more apparent when comparing the Gladiator to its direct rivals. The Chevrolet Colorado offers 2 output variations of its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, both delivering superior torque compared to the Gladiator's naturally aspirated V6. The Toyota Tacoma provides multiple turbocharged 4-cylinder configurations and an impressive hybrid variant that leads the segment in torque production. Meanwhile, the Ford Ranger presents 3 distinct engine options to suit varying customer preferences. The Gladiator does retain one distinctive powertrain feature, a manual transmission option shared only with the Tacoma in this segment. However, this traditional drivetrain component fails to compensate for the overall lack of powertrain diversity that contemporary truck buyers increasingly expect, particularly at the Gladiator's premium price point. Number 3. Compromised ride quality. Consumer expectations for pickup trucks have evolved significantly, with many buyers now viewing them as versatile vehicles for both family transportation and recreational use rather than purely utilitarian work tools. This shift in perception has elevated the importance of ride quality, an area where the Gladiator demonstrates notable deficiencies. As a traditional body-on-frame pickup featuring a solid front axle design optimized for off-road performance, the Gladiator exhibits more pronounced movement over irregular surfaces compared to competitors like the Tacoma and Ranger. It lacks the refined, crossover-like driving characteristics offered by unibody alternatives such as the Honda Ridgeline. The truck's off-road focused engineering results in compromised highway stability and struggles with inconsistent terrain during normal driving conditions. The limited sound insulation discussed previously compounds these ride quality issues, creating a driving experience that many prospective buyers find unnecessarily demanding for daily use. The Gladiator does offer some comfort-enhancing features, including well-designed supportive seating and rear passenger ventilation. But these elements cannot fully compensate for the fundamental ride quality compromises inherent in its purpose-built design. Number 2. Pricing strategy concerns. The Gladiator's pricing structure represents perhaps its most problematic market disadvantage. After enjoying strong sales performance with approximately 880,000 units sold in 2020 and nearly 990,000 in 2021, deliveries began declining precipitously. By early 2023, sales had plummeted to approximately 23,000 units, with pricing identified as a primary contributing factor. The Gladiator's base model starts around $40,000, substantially higher than key competitors. The Ford Ranger begins at approximately $34,000, the Toyota Tacoma at $33,000, and the Chevrolet Colorado at just over $31,000. While the Gladiator does include standard features like a V6 engine and 4-wheel drive, this price premium proves difficult to justify for many potential buyers. The pricing disparity becomes even more pronounced when examining higher trim levels. Mid-range Gladiator configurations easily reach $50,000, while premium variants like the Rubicon X and Mojave X exceed $65,000. These figures are widely regarded as excessive for a mid-size pickup, even considering the comprehensive off-road capabilities offered. Perhaps most tellingly, the Gladiator's entry-level price exceeds that of full-size alternatives, including the Ford F-150, GMC Sierra, and Chevrolet Silverado. This unfavorable value proposition undoubtedly plays a significant role in the model's declining sales performance. Number 1. Substandard fuel economy. The Gladiator ranks among the least fuel-efficient options in the pickup segment, a significant disadvantage as fuel costs and environmental considerations increasingly influence purchasing decisions. The discontinuation of the diesel variant has eliminated the most economical option, which previously delivered nearly 30 miles per gallon on highways. The remaining 3.6-litre V6 engine demonstrates poor efficiency by contemporary standards. The 8-speed automatic transmission configuration achieves approximately 17 miles per gallon in urban driving and 22 miles per gallon during highway operation. The manual transmission variant performs even worse, managing only about 16 miles per gallon in city conditions and 21 miles per gallon on highways. This efficiency deficit becomes more pronounced when comparing the Gladiator to competitors utilizing smaller displacement turbocharged engines. The Toyota Tacoma's hybrid variant, for instance, delivers a combined fuel economy rating of 23 miles per gallon, a substantial improvement over the Gladiator's figures. Importantly, the efficiency metrics cited reflect the Gladiator's base configuration. Optional features like increased ground clearance, larger tires, and other off-road enhancements further reduce these already unimpressive fuel economy ratings. The Jeep Gladiator, despite its distinctive character and genuine off-road capabilities, faces numerous challenges that have contributed to its declining market position. Without significant updates to address competitive disadvantages in pricing, powertrain options, interior quality, ride refinement, reliability, and fuel efficiency, the model's sales trajectory appears unlikely to reverse. If you found this analysis informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more automotive market insights and comprehensive vehicle evaluations. Your support enables us to continue providing objective, data-driven content about the evolving automotive landscape.